Good morning, everyone. Good morning. BJ, Sebastian, Ivan, Nore, Baba. Well, people, I don't know how it's happening, but it's Friday again. Like yesterday was Monday, now it's Friday. Let's start with Bitcoin and see what we have. I see some strength in the market. I saw it from last night after Trump so-called speech. And I think we can have something nice. So, on higher time frame, nothing special. On daily, we are still consolidating, doing this W breakout, retest. We are in that process, in my humble opinion. Okay. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning. So we are in that process here to make the W. Let's see if we'll succeed. Lower time frame, we can play around and we have some bullishness. We had overnight some nice setups. Okay. But daily, we are still in the same place, 97, trying to make that daily W breakout retest. Let's hope that will be something clear and we can benefit from it. So, overall, daily chart on Bitcoin looks the same. Ethereum, similar, a bit, yesterday was a bit stronger. Now it's kind of the, you can see the W here. It's already confirmed, people, on daily. Maybe on daily you don't see it clearly. Let's put 12 hours. You will see it even better. Okay? Why I say that this is confirmed? Because we had this movement here. Okay? Candle body lows. Okay, that's one. Then we had the low. We pumped. We go back down. We made a slightly higher low. Yeah? For the people that they are beginners for Kappa 1. When I'm talking about W's, I want this low. Yeah, this one lower than this one, or this low higher than this one. Double bottom, but this one a bit higher. Or equal. If it's equal, it's not the best. But if it's a bit higher, then great. And then we close the candle body above the weak high neckline, how we call it on the W. Okay? So it's confirmed already. Breakout retest, if we'll still fuck around here, it's not up to me, but we have something here on Ethereum. Let's go back on daily. On daily here you can see it even better. Okay. Indicators. Well, following the price action. Nothing bad, nothing extraordinary, nothing changed on indicators. They are not giving us anything special for this time. Probably on a lower time frame we'll have some bullish divergence or something, but higher time frame, no. Doesn't look bad. I still think it's possible, bad news or something, to push us back in the 2500 and lower, but as I suspected, 2500 is a good level. I saw somewhere that the big guys that invested or they bought this dump, the average price is 2500, and I think they have some limit orders, hide it there. Good morning, Andrei. So looks nice. We'll consolidate more, who knows, we'll dump in the long reload zone here. Well, that will be a buying opportunity. I'll go on 4-hour chart and I'll hand a long idea. For the moment I have a double here, which is a long reload zone from the entire range. Is still a valid long reload zone because we didn't break this low. I hope that's clear. Now, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance. As you can see, it looks better and better day in, day out. It looks like wants to test the support and resistance. Now, this is a support at 60%, people. This is a support at this point in time. Just 1 second. We'll test and we'll reject and we'll bounce back. Well, nothing bad. We can push 60% reject, go back up here in this area and then break down. That will form a bigger EM. For the moment, Nice and clean, I like it. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, if you remember a lower time frame, I even said, well, we are still fighting this area, but I could see a bot setup. I still see that setup. Look at it. I still see that AB equals CD setup. AB, CD, W here, 1, 2, 3. This is a classic bot setup. Or an AB equals CD, how we use it on Crypto Traders Arena. Okay, so I like it. I think we'll stay a little bit longer here, but at any point in time, Ethereum should break out from this line and push higher. Okay, that's the overview, people. I could look at daily total market cap, but it's not looking different. It's still above 3 trillion and fighting that level. Total 3 similar. It's below 1 trillion, but it's fighting that level. Nothing bad. Higher time frame altcoins, well, people, they are still buyable. Just look at them. 1, 2, 4, 5% up for today is nothing on altcoins. They are at the same price overall on higher time frame, and they are buyable. Yeah. If you took this trade, for example, with me, okay, you are in profit. This one, wait for a clear W. I explained. I even posted, I asked Stefan to post power of 3 setup so everyone could study it, could understand that setup. I don't know if you did or not, but that's your job. Look at the price action here in altcoins. They are preparing for something. I don't know. I'm blabbing away day in, day out, day in, day out. Zoom out, weekly chart, make a plan and buy some altcoins. I'm not saying to buy meme coins. No. Buy coins with utility, buy coins that they have some history, some real communities. When you see an altcoin, for example, at, I don't know, 10 million market cap and they have 500 followers on their Twitter, that's a fucking shitcoin that will go to zero in no time. The entire list, and not only this list, 95% of the altcoins look really juicy, really nice for an investor, for a position trader. A position trader should wait for a W or power of 3. An investor should not care, should buy the fucking level and make some money in the next period. What are my thoughts on broccoli? Well, your head is broccoli if you bought broccoli. If you bought broccoli, your mind is your head is made from broccoli. Come on, people. A fucking animal, a dog, because it's the name of the dog of CZ. Come on. Tomorrow we'll have a mouse, and today he'll have a chicken. That's stupid. Honestly, it's just stupid. I'm talking here, well, hunt, utility, hunt, you ask me about broccoli, sorry. I'm not saying about you. Don't get me wrong, Arjun. But you get the idea. You saw how they prepared it. And we discussed it. They put that hype one day before. Well, I'll announce the dog name. Come on. And then they put 20 altcoins there. And people FOMO'd in, and all of them, I think all of them, they are at the lows. Maybe one exception. Why you want to play that game? You are here to trade, to invest, or you are here to fuck around? Well, I don't think CZ wants to rug Arjun. No. His intention is different. His intention was totally different. He doesn't need money from meme coins. He wants to draw some attention on his fucking chain. On BNB, on Binance chain. To start some hype. he saw that Solana is getting too much and BNB is not getting enough. So he played that game. Not that he needs money or he will take the money from a meme coin. I don't think he cares about that. It's fair what he did? No. He said 2 weeks ago that people should focus on utility coins and we deserve what we get, and now he did the same fucking thing. He didn't do a meme coin, but he encouraged the same behavior. Why? Because it's his chain and he wants to get some hype? Come on. So indeed it's not fair, but his intention wasn't to... Yeah. He wants to get some hype on that chain. That's the idea. Now the hype is gone from Solana. He succeeded to put it on Binance. That's the idea. That's the idea behind. In my view, I don't think CZ will play around with meme coins. And if you'll do one, he will do it properly, not like this. Come on. He just wanted some hype. Okay. A lot of altcoins are looking really, really nice. Don't wait too much because they will not stay here for too long. Could stay 1 month, could stay 2 months, but at some point they'll do something like this. Unfortunately, people will come and ask me what to buy at the top. Like every time. And let's look at the strongest one, like the ones with some utility. For example, this one has utility. I think it has. Yeah. Let's find the TIA. Where the fuck is TIA? Look at it. Still above $3, still fighting this level. Consolidating. What is actually doing, people are, I don't know if they're seeing, is making that W. And people, well, I don't want it here. Okay. Wait a little bit more. There are a lot of coins that are looking really nice. The best stable coin is Monero, you can see. It's the best one. Doesn't care about dips. It's not pumping either, but at least it's not going down. So that's my overview here. That's the daily overview. Someone asked me overnight, why I'm not posting more setups? I'm posting on premium and I'm not posting day trades on general. Well, people, general is for beginners mostly. People that they are not really interested in trading. And if I'm posting a swing trade, if I'm posting the plan on higher time frame, if I'm doing this live stream which is made for premium, but I decided to give them access, and they are not watching the live stream. Specifically that guy, that was my question. You watch the live stream? No. Well, good luck. Come on. I'm doing this live stream, including public. It's for everyone on YouTube. And I'm giving my 2 cents. Well, I'll buy here, I'll sell here, I'm looking at this level. Other people will charge you $500 a month for this kind of service. I'm giving it for free. People are not watching. I'm not here to convince them to watch. I don't want to be an influencer. I don't want to. It's available. If you want it, take it. It's like a gift. I cannot force you. I don't want to force you to take it. I'm giving that. If you want it, it's there. Take it. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for anything. Just take it. Use it for free. But more than that, sorry people. I have the same people in the comments every time. I have the same people in the watching the videos every time. I have the same people reposting every time. From more than 1,000 people, 165 watched yesterday live stream until now. I don't mind, but don't come and ask me why I don't post 50-minute chart setups. Well, that's for premium. That's for VIP. I'm posting more than enough value for general members. If a guy will watch these videos, these live streams, and will take the levels and use the setups, knows how to trade, will make money. If you don't know how to trade, doesn't matter what I'll tell you, you cannot make money. It's simple as that. You want to learn how to trade? Well, you have to join Kappa 1. You have to join premium. You have to take it level by level, step by step. It will take some time, some effort until you learn. If you want to learn it from a PDF, well, there are tons of people out there selling you PDFs with thousands of dollars and recorded videos of 2 or 3 hours and charging you a lot of money. Go ahead. Go there. Our education programs last 4 fucking months. 3 months for Kappa 2. Sorry. We are not fucking around here. So I get it. Yeah, people are bored. People don't want to be consistent. People, well, don't expect results then. I posted some of them, Sebastian. I posted for free. I'm posting on higher time frame. I'm not that guy that is not posting anything. But I cannot copy and paste the trades, all the trades I put for premium or for VIP. It's not fair. Sorry. For example, a VIP guy is paying $200. Well, it's not fair to see all his trades or the trades from VIP in general. It's just not fair. He's paying some money. For him, maybe it's tons of money. It's a lot of money. Okay, for me, it's not. But for him, maybe he has a 5K account. And he's really trying to succeed and to learn and to make some money. Oh, sorry, no. And even if I'll post on general, it will not help anyone. The people interested in trading, they are already in premium or VIP. Okay, VIP maybe it's expensive for some people, but premium? Less than one good coffee a day? Come on. Okay, let's go on lower time frame. Let's stop ranting and look at the chart. Yesterday was a boring day. A really boring day. I managed to take this in the middle of the night yesterday. I made nice money on it. And I was waiting here for a setup. And I said, I don't take this W because it's before the New York session. It's ugly, don't take it, let's just wait. And indeed, look what happened. Up and down, up and down. Then I saw this one. This one was really nice. Not the best location. Was forcing a little bit, I'll admit that, but acceptable. Yeah? And you can put it on lower time frame 5-minute chart if you really want to see something nice. Yeah? Not the best of the best, but was a setup here. Yeah? 61.8 entry, exit here. Was kind of a Stefan setup, if you know, a simplified combo setup. You don't take 2 setups, Mountain Man and Shark, you just take one at 61.8. I saw the opportunity there, I posted on premium before the entry, market was here, exactly in the top when I posted. I said, I want here, I want a retracement and that's the trade. Posted, tagged everyone, posted on VIP also because they needed a setup at that point. And look what happened. Here, when the market was here, everyone, well, we'll go to zero. No. Look what happened. This is 3.5. I'll be honest, I still have 30% from the trade. You need spoon feed? Well, good luck. I'm spoon feeding. On VIP is spoon feeding. It's not signals, but it's spoon feeding. If I give you, for example, people, let's put the replay button, okay? Look at here. If someone is posting something like this, okay? They say, well, I want this level. Market is here. You have time to put your limit order. Entry here, stop loss here, take profit there. Simple. You just go and put an OCO order. And then you don't do anything. You are just waiting. Okay? And then the market is looking like this in the morning. I think you are more than happy. Well, I'll not easily get mad on Booker. He's joking. I don't have a problem. He did Capua 1 with me. He's getting consistent and better and better every day, Arjun. That's why I don't mind his jokes, because I know behind that joke is a consistent guy that is trying to succeed. He's day in, day out here, yeah, trying to get better. I see some signs. It's the question is telling me a lot. You don't take this W, Paul, no, because it's before the New York. one kind of question. Well, I understand that that guy knows something. He gets the idea. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. In the same time, at the same moment, after 30 seconds, I posted this chart. Similar here for the premium people and VIP. And I said, if you don't like Bitcoin or you prefer also Ethereum or only Ethereum, take this one. Same result. But these trades are gone. I kind of 20% from Ethereum, 30% from Bitcoin still open. They are gone. What we can do now? If you still have the trades, trail the rest. Don't close it entirely. Maybe you have 50%, you have more than me. Okay, trail the rest with the stop loss all the way down at 0 here. Don't get greedy and move your stop loss. Try to outsmart, 3 higher lows, things. No, just let the stop loss at the break even. You don't care about it. Okay, that's the best I could tell you to do. Now, what we can do from now on? Well, let's zoom out a little bit, not 5-minute chart. Let's, for example, take 1 hour. And let's see Bitcoin, for example, is still ranging here. So higher time frame, I don't see anything to do. Not even 1 hour. Look at it. It's just fucking around here. We made money because we zoomed in. We put a kind of a day trade scalp idea on 5-minute chart. But on 1 hour, nothing. This is consolidating. A lot of altcoins are still going sideways, people. Yeah. Hype, similar. Yeah. It's stronger than the rest, but it's still in the range. I could see Jupiter, for example, doing something. I don't know if you see what I'm seeing here. We had the W's. Yeah. Let's put 4-hour chart. Maybe it's better. And we have some news on... or some good news on Jupiter. They started buying back from today. I don't know. If you are interested in the news, go and search and find out more. But I noticed something on Twitter, at the corner of my eye, that they said something about buying back program starting now. They took a lot of coins from the market. Now they are buying back. Not bad. Something like this, people, on Jupiter. Okay, we had the W's, breakout, retest. Yeah, this is the retest. This is your entry. Either you take it on 4-hour chart, either you zoom in on 50-minute chart and you take the W when the market will come here. That could be an opportunity. I'm not saying that Jupiter will come back down here. Don't short. But if it will come, that's a buying opportunity. Or you can do what you can do. If you are a premium member, you can do something nice. Look at it. Can you see it? One entry. Well, let's say it is not a valid one. We don't have steps. Well, that's a valid one. And from that point, that's another one valid. And so on. Wait for an entry with Holy Grail on 5-minute chart and try to play the Holy Grail. Okay? Or you can try both of them. You can wait here for a retest, but in meantime, well, if you don't like to wait on the sidelines, you can enter here. And you can see how well made is this algo, this indicator. Yeah, it's telling me long, okay, entry 90 cents and 47 here. Yeah? Stop loss 0.88, that's this level. Yeah? And the position size, what that means? Well, if you look at the settings, you see position size for $200 risk. So if I'll enter here, my stop loss will be here at 88, okay? And I'll enter with 8,129 coins. I'll buy that level and will hit my stop loss. I'll have to exit here. I'll lose $200. Okay? Simple. No? Holy Grail has an advantage that you can trail the stop loss up behind this blue line. Yeah, Qatar. Please English. Don't. We are not using other languages. He understands. Okay, so that's the idea. That's the idea on this one on Jupiter. About Trump, I think the same is valid. Yeah, let it form. But I think we can play. Fibs are looking better here. Let's see. 5 minute chart not the best. 1 hour is the best. Is better on. A stupid trader told you yesterday that he's expecting something like this. Well, we had. Wasn't here, was here. But we had that development. We are pumping. If we are not accepting above this level, then we have a problem. We are falling back in the range and will consolidate more. And I think it's possible. But if we'll succeed to break out from these levels and push higher, then we'll take this level as a support. That could be something. For the moment, I don't have anything special. It's looking interesting. But usually, after a coin like this, hype, dump, needs a long period of consolidation here. Yeah. If you are long and you long from lower and you manage to get on a break-even point, stop loss at scratch, well, you can trail as long as you want. But we can stay for longer here. $20, 25, it's a good target. That's my plan here. That is my view here. We can go back down, push higher. Don't think will happen exactly like it's just a line on the chart. That's a general idea. If we'll succeed to accept above, then retest here, push higher, retest again and up. Will take some time. I have Trump on last chance challenge added on that list, and is more than enough. I don't want to play Trump anymore. It's too big. Too many people watching Trump. No, I prefer to stay on Bitcoin and other altcoins. But I want to get a bag. Who knows? The trade I posted 2 days or 3 days ago. The second attempt. First one stopped us out. The second one you can see is lagging. I don't like that. But in the same time, if it's lagging, it's boring, that doesn't mean I'll close the trade manually. No, leave it there. We have 1-to-1 touched. You can you had a chance 2 times to sell half at 1 hour and make a risk free. Just leave it alone. Let it play. Well, let's take some requests, people. By the way, I told you multiple times here in the lows, www about Arena. Well, hope you listen. If you bought this W here, you are close to a shot. Look left. We have some resistance here. That's why it's fighting back. You can see here. It's a clear resistance here on lower time frame. But if we'll accept above 1 cent, I can push higher. I'm chasing this one. I bought the lows. I bought as close as to drag my price down here. I have the airdrop also. I bought coins here, put everything on staking, and hopefully we'll manage to get in the first 500 traders. 500 stakers, holders on Stars Arena. Let's see if we are there. Arena. There you go. You can see I'm posting from time to time just to have something. Well, Arena Champion, that's how it's called, and we are behind. You can see the staked balance is acceptable. but when I'm zooming in, is behind 1 or 2 or 3 weeks. You can see here is showing me that I have 189k, when actually I have 273. So we should be in the first 500 stakers on the Arena Champions. Don't sell your house to buy something like this, because it could fail at any point in time. I'll be honest, what I don't like about Jason, I see a lot of I don't know how to say it, people that they are promoting, so-called promoting, following Jason, and Jason following them back. People that you pay them $50 and they'll shill your tweet, yeah, to get some engagement. A lot of them, I see that Jason is following them, or they follow Jason. Yeah, I could see that from time to time. Why? Because they are DMing me and asking me if I don't want promotion. And I don't want promotion, but I saw that Jason is following them, so he's pushing really hard. I don't know if it's a wrong thing to do. I think it's a smart thing to do. I don't know if, but that keeps me alert. Let's just call it that way. I'll do it the same if I'll have a platform like this. Probably yes. I'll be honest. It's a way to get people knowing you, even if they are, I don't know, they are not paying attention, or they are just, you try to make the best you can to find a community, to grow a community in this space. Luckily, I don't have that problem, because we have a trading, and traders are not like that. Traders, they have to find you. You don't have to find them. Okay, people, a request. Someone is saying about CRV. What time frame, Arjun? You are old here. You are not a beginner anymore. CRV. You are not from the first time. Lower time frame. Well, I started already with daily. You can see it's in the area where I want to pay attention. I don't see that double yet forming on daily. But there are bad things, there are good things. This big M is pointing out a bit lower. Buy dollar cost average level here at 35, 36 cents. I could find a setup here. Yeah, I could. I see a setup here. No. RSI, nothing. You can see it's lower lows. So, nothing special. If I'll go on 4-hour chart, for example, yeah, it's going sideways. Going sideways, acceptable, but I want to play CRV here. If you wanted to play, you had an opportunity here, but you can see they did something ugly, took the liquidity, they need liquidity, and they push it higher. It's consolidating this level. If overall market will push higher, probably this one will do so also. But I don't see. Let's put 1 hour if you said lower time frame. You see anything special here? Honestly, I see coins looking better than this one. It's a range. It's going sideways. But probably at the lows here you can find a W, 46. Yeah? Think as a range. I will put a range just to see it, and I'll delete it after that. Something like this. Okay, you can see you are close to the middle of the range. If the market will come back down here and give you a W, okay, you can attempt a long idea. I don't suggest to short in this range, only to long if will dip. But when I'm looking at the higher time frame, I see that we can push lower. That's the problem. Why? This is a small support, and we didn't retest it properly here. So 40 cents, 35 cents, it's buyable. Buyable with a limit order like I have here. You can see I didn't get my fill here, so I'm still waiting. Okay, anything else? Let's see, any requests? No. No requests. We can call it a live stream. Ondo? Okay. Yeah. We attempted a bot setup, or we had the levels for a bot setup. We don't have anymore. Yeah. It's with this week. Yeah, ugly. So no. Now we should play the classic. Classic long reloads. The problem I have with this one, yeah, I could pump from here, Arjun. Could pump, but you have to acknowledge, at least to see that this looks like an AB equals CD to the downside. And that is pointing out all the way down here. Okay? So, if you'll put, for example, this is the range. Let's find the range. Okay, we are in, this is the entire chart on what we have on Binance at least. You can see where the POC is. It's a coincidence that we have support and resistance there. We have the POC there and everything. This is a hole in the chart here. Probably on other platform you have more history, but you get the idea. If the market is strong, yeah, we can pump from here, but in general we should go back down here at the POC. Turbo, where the fuck you have that one? To Binance? We have something like that? Well, on daily, let's hide this one. You have location, that's for sure. It's kind of catching falling knives here, Kautar. Catching falling knives. Yeah, indeed, I could see this bullish divergence. Potential one. Is not confirmed yet. You need the market to close above this level on daily to have a confirmed bullish divergence. Let's see the OBV. OBV doesn't look bad. Not great, not terrible, but I don't see anything special. What I think is either you are an investor here and you are dollar cost averaging. Well, that's a strategy that usually don't fails. Or you are waiting for a W. Without a W, MACD and Willy is stupid. Yeah, but you don't have the structure, Kotar. That's the main thing. You want to see the classic because Willy could stay oversold for longer. MACD could bounce back and go back oversold and so on. That could happen over and over again. But the best way to tell that the market is recovering is daily, weekly W. You know that. You know that. I bet you know that. If you are telling me about Willy, you know. Here or lower, I don't know where, but show me this pattern and I'll be more than happy to attack something like this. For the moment, we have some early signs, but not enough. As an investor, I said, if you want to dollar cost average, you don't care too much. You just, every Monday, for example, you buy $50 worth of turbo and you are trying to get the best price overall until you reach your limit. Let's say you want to invest 1,000. Now, when you reach your limit, you say, fuck it, I have to stop. Respect my risk management. If you are not investing and you are trying to find a setup, okay, if you are a swing trader, you should wait for this pattern on daily. If you are more aggressive, you can go on 4 hours and look for this. And still, I don't see that. This is the key. Yeah, I get it. RSI is looking nice. OBV is looking nice. Really stupid. MACD could have bullish divergence multiple times. But this is the key for a reversal. This is the pattern you want to see in a setup, in a anything. That's the idea. If you want on 1 hour chart, yeah, I could go and we can discuss 1 hour chart. On 1 hour chart, let's see what we have. We had the dump like everywhere else. Okay. Now, Let's draw a long reload zone to find a good location. Well, as you can see, we bounced 2 times from 61.8. So for me, this was the trade on 1 hour, and now it's too late. Now I have to wait, the same idea. Wait here for a double. As you know, without a good location, I don't like to touch the market. I don't have an advantage. That doesn't mean it could not be a win, but if I'll play that setup 100 times, I don't know if I'll make money. And if I don't know if I'll make money, if I'll be profitable overall, I'm not touching it. Why? Just to pay some fees and keep my mind busy with a new setup? No. I have to clearly see the advantage of entering the market. And I don't have that without a location. Okay. So that's turbo. It's the first time I'm looking at that. I don't know what turbo is. Cotter, maybe you know better. If it's on Binance, I think has some community, has something. Overall, it's getting interesting here. Yeah? Getting back in the long reload zone, doing some Ws. Okay. And by the way, you say the scalp. Well, a scalp Cotter is 5 minutes or less. If it's more than 5 minutes, that means it's a day trade. If it's more than 4 hours, that's a swing trade. At least in my opinion. OP. Okay, let's take a look. But I want to zoom out from now on. Let's see. Well, there you go. Keep it simple, people. Don't overthink too much. So, what we have here. This is not valid anymore. This is still valid. So, let's let this one here. Come on. Let's adapt and put the 88.6 and remove 61.8 because that's the altcoin area where we want to touch it. On weekly chart, you can see, it's easiest to see. We are fighting the POC. Yeah, you can see we are in the POC here, in the big volume. People bought this one in this area, even higher. So it's value, in my opinion. I should chase it here. Well, if I'm an investor, same idea like on Turbo. It's an investable level. Dollar cost average every week, every month, same amount of money until you reach your limit, and that's it. And then you just wait. Nothing you can do. But if I'll see a W on daily here, and seems like we are forming one, it's not bad. We had the retest, not deep enough in my view, but it's possible to get that. Okay, so you have a W here. Now, the question is, you'll take the breakout or you'll wait for the breakout to happen and you'll take the retest. So you have two chances here, if you are interested in this one. Okay, first one will be something like this. So this is the W. Okay. You wait for the breakout to happen and you play the retest. Okay. Or you enter now at the breakout. If you enter now, there is to be a fake out here and go and break the lows, it's higher. If you wait for the breakout to happen and enter a retest, the win rate is bigger. But you assume the risk that the market will never touch your limit, will do a improper retest and will go higher. So decide what you want. Okay? Two options. Yeah, if you are stop at scratch, that's the best. That's the best counter. When you are not risking your own money, you are a risk-free position. That's the best position possible. Even on scalping, you see me trying to get break even really fast. At 1-to-1, risk to reward, because I know the volatility, I'll try to get a risk-free. Either I'll close 50% of the trade, either I'll move the stop at scratch, depending on if it's at the retest or at the breakout. So that's the idea here on daily. Let's put a 4-hour chart, maybe you have more. On 4-hour chart looks more like a range. So maybe you want to wait for the breakout to happen and then the retest. It's up to you, like I said. And keep in mind, people, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a stupid trader playing my own money and blabbing away on YouTube. Okay? I'm not the smartest guy. I'm just the guy that is trying to make a living from trading. I decided years ago to make a community, to keep good traders together and try to take advantage of the market. But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not the smartest here. I don't intend to be. Usually, if I'll talk only with traders, I'll tell, well, that's my opinion, but follow your plan. When Stefan is asking me questions like this, I'll tell him, well, what's your plan? Well, respect your fucking plan. But I worked with Stefan more than 2 years, and I made sure he has a plan. He knows how to play the market. Well, overall market doesn't look bad on lower time frame. Looking at Bitcoin here, it's rangy. Let's hide all the drawings. It's in a range. We retested. If you remember, everyone was bearish here. And I said, well, let it pump. Don't FOMO in. Wait for a retest. Here in the dumps, I told you don't panic sell because we'll probably bounce. Now we are consolidating, but any good news could push us higher. On the higher time frame, the risk for sudden drop to reset again everything is still possible. You know that. I don't see more requests, so let's call it a live stream. I'll go on VIP and trade with Stefan there. Maybe I'll make a setup or make some money today. Well, that's good, Kotar. If I remember correctly, you made at least level 2. I don't know if you made level 3 on TRI. You should be okay. You should know the process. You should make your own decision. Well, what to share, Arjun? I just told you what I intend to do. And usually if it's higher than 1 hour, I'll post on general. But lower than 1 hour time frame, no, I don't think is the case. Usually I post what is 4 hour and higher. Okay, people. Let's call it a live stream. Yeah. See you Sunday. Sunday with the weekly crypto review, if you want to follow us there, or Monday with the same live stream. Yeah, every Tuesday, you know, Stefan is doing the day trading with Stefan live, scalping day trading live. New York will be available for all the members on Crypto Traders Arena community. If you want premium, you know where to look. We have premium. VIP is closed until the beginning of next month. Yeah, so don't just bug Stefan with DMs because it's closed. Capua 1 late registration we have until the end of this week. One place because someone is out, so one place left. One guy joined, one guy left, so I have one place. Capua 2 or 3 places available. But I'll close the registration for Capua 1 and Capua 2 at the end of this week. Sunday after the live stream will be closed. It's time to focus on trading, not even mentioning the programs until we'll do another one. Okay? So I don't want to have in my notes talk about Capua 1 because we have late registration. No, I'll close it and I'll focus on teaching them. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. See you Sunday, see you Monday. Take care, protect your capital, and let's take advantage of this bull market because we are still in a damn nice bull market. See you, people.